Alrighty, welcome back. Here we are. We're fixing to do some 12 millimeter, I believe is what it is. 12 millimeter Shaw floor tag. Let's check it out and see what we're getting into. A little bit of a mess here. What's this? I haven't even looked. Let's see what size it is. Well, I don't know if that's 12 mil or what exactly that is. I have to convert it. But anyway, it's some super thick stuff. Probably about a half inch thick or so. And I put down underlayment. Just not secured off properly. You can feel movement all over the floor. So I'm gonna take my underlayment gun, nail everything off. What I'm gonna do, excuse me, take this and this up, join on right here, and go ahead and flow it right into this room. The guy is not gonna put down quarter round. You can see in here, he don't have any down. He's leaving it like that. So, here, I've already fastened this down. What he did a lot of plumbing work here and stuff, so he cut a hatch in the floor right here so he could go in and do all his plumbing on this side of the house, because the crawl space was way over on the other side of the house. He was doing all his work here, so he cut a crawl space, patched it back. So now we are putting underlayment down here to bring it up with glue on the rest of what the guy has here. You got to do a little fill spot right there. And we got to put underlayment in this closet right here. And we're going to do this install and underlayment. None of this stuff is, anyway, it's not going to be, should be, not bad once we get everything done, but man, I hate it when people just try to slap stuff together like this. It just ain't my forte. It is actually Shaw floor tag. Anyway, let's get to it. Alrighty, we got everything.
Bad part about doing the sunroom is you see a lot.
Fixing to actually done one of these. Cut here. He's out there cutting the other one. These long planks, boy, I tell you what. Anyway, we got everything filled in, patched in. You know, nothing too crazy, but at least everything's level. These high spots, took the edger, knocked them down. This is a little thicker than this glue on, so we knocked that down a little bit. Same thing, got all the jams cut, and we are ready to rock and roll. He's gonna make his own transition with Schluter or something. He's gonna do something right here to this, so we'll see what goes with that. Anyway, fixing to get to slapping some on the floor. And yes. Alrighty. This is what we got. Right here. And like I said, we did work off of that plank. So it's no break, no transitions. Everything went just fine. Stapling everything down like I said this morning, but this is what we got done today. Tomorrow we'll come back, we'll finish this. Gentleman's not done any quarter round or anything, so this will be the finished end result right here. So anyway, it's a little bit closer than I'd like to have it, but we'll see how it does. I think he's gonna put some black acrylic caulk or something around the edges, so it'll be nice to know if anything ever happens to this. I'm sure I'll hear about it, so we'll see how that holds up. Okay, so the last job that I did that had big planks, and now this job with big planks. I really think that I'm going to start charging more for the 9-inch and 6-foot long planks. It's definitely more time consuming and just harder to work with. You cover the floor, you might say you cover the floor faster, but it's just harder to deal with. So I think I'm going to raise my rates on probably anything over 7 inches wide. I will charge a little bit more. I don't know, maybe 25 cents, 50 cents or something like that. So you guys do that? Do you guys charge the same for vinyl plank as vinyl plank? Or do you have certain tiers? I know charge more myself, charge more for vinyl towel, LVT, you know, the 18 by 12s and stuff like that. Charge more for that than I do the plank. So I think I'm going to start doing more on the bigger planks. What do you guys think about that? And do you do it? Do you charge more for the bigger planks, or do you go with the same rate? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.